Francis Bartolomeo was born on March 28, 1472, died October 31, 1517. He also known as Bartolommeo di Pagholo, Bartolommeo di S and his original nickname Baccio della Porta. He was an Italian Renaissance painter of religious subjects. He spent all his career in Florence until his mid-40s, when he traveled to work in various cities, as far south as Rome. He trained with Cosimo Roselli and in the 1490s fell under the influence of Savonarola, which led him to become a Dominican friar in 1500, renouncing painting for several years. Typically his paintings are of static groups of figures in subjects such as the Virgin and Child with saints. He was instructed to resume painting for the benefit of his order in 1504, and then developed an idealized high Renaissance style, seen in his vision of Saint Bernard of that year. Now in poor condition but whose figures and drapery move with a seraphic grace that must have struck the young Raphael with the force of revelation. He remained friends with Raphael, and each influenced the other. His portrait of Savonarola remains the best-known image of the reformer. Francis Bartolomeo painted both in oils and fresco, and some of his drawings are pure landscape sketches that are the earliest of this type from any Italian artist.